You wake up in ancient Rome, the greatest city in the world. 1 million people, marble temples, aqueducts carrying fresh water from the mountains, the most sophisticated civilization on Earth. And the first thing you notice is the smell. Not just bad, specifically urine, everywhere. And in approximately 1 hour, you are going to work with it all day. Let's start with something nobody tells you about ancient Rome. They had no soap. Not because they were dirty, not because they were stupid, because soap as we know it hadn't been invented yet. Rome was a city of 1 million people, all of them wearing clothes, all of those clothes getting dirty. Something had to clean them. They noticed something. Urine, left to sit, smells like ammonia, and ammonia breaks down grease, dissolves dirt, whitens fabric. They didn't know the chemistry, but they knew it worked. Enter Marcus, a fuller, owner of a Falonica, Rome's version of a laundry.
Best laundry in Rome. My togas come out whiter than snow. Senators, generals, even the governor's wife, they all come to me. You want to know my secret?
Yes, Marcus, we do.
Premium quality urine. Fresh collected every morning. I have 12 jars on this street alone.
Marcus walks you through the process. Every morning before dawn, his workers collect urine from clay jars placed on street corners. People have been filling them all night. Men walking home from taverns, residents emptying their chamber pots. The jars come back full, every single morning. The clothes go into large stone vats. The urine goes in with them. And then his workers step in, bare feet, up to their knees, and stomp for hours.
Year 3 of this job. My feet are fine. My nose, I don't know. I can't smell anything anymore. I think that's good. I think.
But not all urine is created equal. Marcus has opinions, strong ones.
Animal urine. Garbage. I don't touch it. Street jar urine. Standard. Fine for basic work. Fresh from the public latrine. Better. Good ammonia concentration. Spanish urine. Now we're talking. Imported. Strong. My premium clients love it.
And the best?
Portuguese. I have a supplier in Lusitania. Ships it over personally. Costs a fortune. Worth every sestertius. The emperor's household uses it. I use it for my best clients only.
Let that sink in. The Emperor of Rome did not use his own urine. He used imported Portuguese urine because his own was not good enough.
Wait, so the emperor, the most powerful man in the world, is brushing his teeth with someone else's imported urine and paying extra for it?
Correct.
And this is considered luxury.
The finest luxury available.
I need to sit down.
Now meet Livia, a wealthy Roman woman. Morning routine.
Every morning I wake up. I wash my face, I do my hair, and then I rinse with my Portuguese mouthwash.
Her slave brings a small clay cup. Inside, fermented Portuguese urine, aged for maximum ammonia concentration.
My teeth are the whitest in our district. Everyone asks what I use. I tell them. Some of them are shocked. I don't understand why. It works, doesn't it?
Livia, you rinse your mouth with urine every morning.
Portuguese urine. There's a difference.
There really isn't.
Look at my teeth.
They are very white.
Thank you.
And here is the part that will genuinely surprise you. Livia was right. Ammonia is one of the most effective natural teeth whitening compounds known to science. Archaeological studies of skeletal remains from Pompeii show Roman teeth were in extraordinary condition, better than many modern populations. The urine worked.
I hate that it works. I really do.
Now meet Emperor Vespasian, sitting in his palace, looking at the city's finances.
The urine industry. Do you know how much money flows through the city in urine every year?
I have not calculated that, Caesar.
Pholonicas, tanners, tooth polish sellers, all of them making money from urine. None of them paying me. Tax it!
Tax? Urine, Caesar?
Tax the collection of urine from public toilets. Anyone who profits from urine pays Rome a percentage.
Caesar, people will talk.
Let them talk.
His son Titus was disgusted.
Father, this is undignified. We are taxing urine. The other emperors taxed grain, land, trade. We are taxing people's waste. Rome will laugh at us.
Come here.
Vespasian picked up a coin from the tax revenue, held it under Titus's nose.
Does this smell?
No.
Pecunia non olet. Money doesn't stink.
That phrase, said in a Roman palace about a tax on urine, is still used in business meetings today. When someone makes money from something distasteful, someone will always say, "Money doesn't stink."
I still think it's weird. For the record.
And now, the part most people refuse to believe. Meet Gaius, a Roman physician.
The human body is a marvel. The blood carries everything. Nutrients, healing properties, life itself. And what the body filters out is not waste. It is a refined extract of the blood, the gold of blood, the elixir of long life.
And what is this miraculous elixir?
Urine, obviously.
You want me to drink my own?
For your skin condition, yes.
Can't I just take some herbs?
The herbs are not working. The urine will work.
What if I pay extra?
The urine is free. That is the beauty of this treatment.
How fresh does it need to be?
Same day.
I'm going to need a moment.
Roman doctors also diagnosed illness by examining urine, its color, its smell, and, yes, its taste.
Sweet taste indicates too much sugar in the blood. Bitter indicates infection. Metallic, kidney problems.
How many patients' urine have you?
Today, 4.
I need some air.
Back to Marcus the Fuller. End of the day. A senator comes to pick up his toga.
Is it white? It better be white. I have a speech in the forum tomorrow. Everyone will be looking at me.
Whitest toga in Rome, Senator.
And it doesn't smell?
Smell? Absolutely not. Rinse 3 times, dried in the sun. Fresh as a mountain breeze.
It does seem clean. What do you wash these with, Marcus? What's your secret?
Premium ingredients, Senator. Imported. From Portugal.
Portugal. Excellent. Finest materials. That explains the quality.
Marcus did not elaborate further. The senator walked to the forum, in the whitest toga in Rome, very pleased with himself. Rome was not disgusting. Rome was practical. They had a problem, they found a solution that worked for centuries. The ammonia in your cleaning spray today, same compound. The phrase in every boardroom, "money doesn't stink," came from a conversation about urine tax. And your teeth whitening strips, doing exactly what Livia's Portuguese mouthwash did, just packaged differently, just marketed differently, just without telling you where the idea came from.